Going on, ladies and gentlemen, back again with something that I think and know is super important, and this is copywriting related. So, how to write copy that converts. This is what we do for every company that we work with, or most companies. Some already have all this ironed out, but me and my copywriter, we go in it and we build out a product mini map. It's going to help us with our go-to-market messaging and what angles we can use in the market that we can test to see what people are going to bite on. So this is what we did for Gluey. Gluey is a influencer marketing software that we just helped raise a $9 million seed round. I don't take full credibility. We didn't do all of that, but we helped play a part. And in that, what we do is we say, okay, Gluey, what are you helping people solve for, right? And so this is where we're going to start. I try to keep this very simple. And in layman terms, what are we solving? We're solving for brand awareness for Gluey. It's an influencer marketing platform. We're telling people, hey, we're going to help you grow your social proof and your brand awareness, which will help with everything else. We say, okay, cool. So from there, once we have that main starting objective that we can solve for, we go to the left. We say, in the market right now, what are like the top 3 or 4 ways that people can get that thing being social proof or brand awareness, right? So what we did is we said, okay, they can get it from paid ads or Google ads, SEO or organic. And so what we do is in that we say, okay, what are the things that we can almost tarnish or diminish in our copywriting that people are doing in the market to get them to say they need to buy in influencer marketing, right? So paid media, well, it could cause funnel inefficiencies. There's attribution issues, rising CPMs. SEO, maybe slow velocity. Organic, it's difficulty coming up with content, so on and so forth. So what we do in our messaging on the front end is we say, XYZ customer, are you trying to grow your brand awareness through Facebook ads, but with the cost of rising CPMs, it's causing massive funnel inefficiencies, and with the attribution issues, XXX. And because of that, more times than not, you're probably experiencing issues. So this is where we come over to here. What issues are they potentially facing in their business right now? And because of the lack of this, the issues could be, well, maybe they're not getting the return on investment they would like. Maybe they're having difficulty scaling. Maybe having family problems, doubtful, they're stressed, complicated funnels, right? And so because you're not getting this, are you experiencing diminished returns, allocating extra time to do this, and ultimately it's causing what? And so in our messaging, we say ultimately it's causing, if you're experiencing all these, you're stagnant. As we all know, if you're stagnant in business, that means you're losing business. So if you're stagnant, blah. So we have a solution for you. So when we say is like in the market right now, what solutions do they have available to them? Well, they can throw more money in the paid, but they're unsure if it's going to work because it's already given them issues just now, right? PR, field marketing, programmatic, or XYZ being us. Influencer marketing. With influencer marketing, we can get you, influencer marketing has a statistic that shows you can get a 35% accelerated return on your investment, so on and so forth. So the idea is we're building out a framework, right? This is a framework of like what is readily available to the end consumer that you're helping them solve for, that we can almost tarnish in our messaging. Even though these all work, we're trying to make it seem like what we have to offer is better. So paid ads work, but because of the issues that you're probably facing in the market, this is why you need our thing, right? Because paid ads with the attribution issues and rising CPMs is causing diminished returns, which is causing stagnant growth. Because you don't have your brand awareness, the solution that you need is influencer marketing, because the statistics say that influencer marketing accelerates your ROI by 37%, blah, 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 blah. And you can do that with different angles. So SEO, what I just said. You're doing a bunch of SEO, but you're just tired of the lack of traffic that's generated, and you've been doing it for so long, unsure if it's going to continue working. And because it's taking so long to start it, you're allocating all this extra time. Because you're allocating all this extra time, you're having family problems, which ultimately in the business is causing you stagnant growth, blah, 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 right? So I hope this gives you guys a better understanding of what I mean. But I always tell people, like, you really need to be mindful of copywriting, because copywriting is a huge play in your go-to-market initiatives. If you can specifically speak to someone and hit them in the chest about a problem they're facing and angle it in a way where you're the solution, you could do some damage in your market. So framework we built out. I hope you guys found this valuable. This is what we do for, again, majority of our clients if they don't have it ironed out. And yeah, any questions, again, just reach out and let us know.